Hi, this is Stephanie Walker. I'm a Westfield Middle School teacher and technology coach. Today I'm going to show you how to launch the gradebook and set the category and term weights for your gradebook. First, you'll have to log into PowerSchool. Then you'll want to launch the gradebook. If it does not launch, you need to download the new installer by clicking the arrow, clicking installer, and following the instructions through. Once you've downloaded the installer, you can launch the program. When you launch the program, it will open PowerTeacher Gradebook 2.8, the new version of Gradebook. In PowerTeacher Gradebook, you'll want to be sure that you click on the current classes 2016-2017 and start with trimester 1. Click on Grade Setup, the tab at the top, fourth one over. Select T1. Select Category Weights. Unless you're using total points, you'll need to select category weights to weight tests, quizzes, projects, homework. And then when you select category weights, go just below the list and click Add Category. These will be a list of the categories you have available to you or that you have created yourself. In this class, we're adding the category weights of homework, quiz, test, and classwork. However, we have a category for project that we won't be using, so we don't check it, and a category for classwork that hasn't been created yet. So far, we have 3 of the categories. We're going to click OK. Those will be selected there. And then to add a new category, you simply go to Categories on the left dashboard, click the plus sign, and add the category you'd like to add. In this case, we're adding a classwork category. So we type classwork in the first 2 boxes and hit OK. Now you've created that category here on the left, and you want to add that category to your category weights. Go back to Add Category, select Classwork. Now you have your 4 categories you'd like to use, or whichever categories you'd prefer, and OK. In order to weight each category, you simply type in the percentage number that you want for that weight. In this class, classwork is worth 10%, homework is worth 15%, quizzes 25%, and tests 50%. Once you've clicked through them all, you can click Save. If you accidentally put in the wrong category, you can click on it and click Remove, and it will go away. Once you save, you're going to copy. You click this copy button here, and you're just copying trimester 1 only. OK. And then you're going to copy that to any T or M, any trimester or midterm reporting term. So we're going to copy it in midterm 1, T2, midterm 2, try 3, and midterm 3. Ignore all F's and E's. Only select M's and T's. Then click Next and Finish. Once it's loaded, then we have to make changes to our final grades. So we're going to select F2. This is required of all school teachers in Westfield Middle School to allow 90% to be the term weight for the trimester and 10% to be the final exam weight. So click F2. Instead of category weights, here we're going to select term weights. We're going to change trimester 2's term to 90% and the exam to 10%. Save. And you'll do the same thing for F3. This will be the final grade for trimester 3. Click F3, term weights, T3 is 90, and E3 is 10. Click Save. When you are finished with that, you can double check if you'd like to go through and confirm that all your trimester and midterm grades are the same weights as you had wanted them. It will be. And then that your final exam or your final grade will be 10% exam and 90% trimester. At the end, you'll want to click on Try 1, copy it, and we're going to now copy the entire class to all other periods that have the same weight scale for the whole year. So we're going to copy the entire class, Okay? And in this case, every one of these math classes has the same weighting scale. We select them all and click Next. Then Finish, and your gradebook is set up. If one class has a different weighting scale from another, perhaps you teach a high school class but also some middle school classes, just copy to the classes that have the same grade scale and then go through the process again for your other weighting scales. That's been PowerSchool category weights and term weights.